In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore a deleted files from your OneDrive for Business. So let's say you have your OneDrive for Business on your device here, on your computer, and you delete a file. You now recovered or think, okay, I will need to restore this file back because I deleted the wrong folder. So let's say, for example, I delete this folder. Let me just try to actually delete this folder. So when you delete this folder, it says, are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? So I'm going to say yes. So now this folder has been deleted. So this folder is no more here on my device. It says, don't show this reminder again. Delete off all files are removed everywhere. I'll say, okay, let me just don't show that again, and got it. So now this file has been deleted. So how do we actually restore this file back again? If I go to my OneDrive, let me go to my OneDrive, and here you can see we have files. Well, the fashion files have just been deleted. We have two options to restore this file. The first option is I can actually go to my show hidden icon, and here you can see we have OneDrive. So right click on OneDrive, and you can see we have the recycle bin. Let me just right click there, right click. You can see we have the recycle bin. So click on the recycle bin, and it's going to take me directly to my recycle bin in OneDrive. And you can see we have a fashion that had just been deleted. I can now select it and then click restore. So it's going to actually restore my file back again to my OneDrive. So if you go back again to my OneDrive, you can see we now have our fashion which has been restored. But on our OneDrive, mind you, if I go to home, we also have the option to actually, let me just delete this file again. Let me just try to delete just for the record's sake. I'll right click and then delete. I'm going to delete the file. So it's going to be deleted. So let's just wait for some time and we can now do a refresh. Just wait for some minutes for the file to appear in our OneDrive. So here we go. Here now we can now see that the file is now as our empty recycle bin. So you can go from home and you can click on recycle bin. You can also see your file there. We can now decide to also restore the file. So that is how you actually restore deleted files from your OneDrive for Business from your that has been deleted from your device. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Bye.